So again, this is a good review for your quiz and for the tests, which will be pages 1 through 10. Jeff is on a diet and workout plan. His weight is 254 pounds on day 0 and is dropping 3 pounds every week. What is his weight on day 7? We'll go there, Jared. Sorry. Jacob.
251.
251. So that's 1 week, right? One week, just dropped 3 pounds. Makes sense. Day 21. Day 21. Wait, Corey?
Yeah, 247.
247. So you figured you do what? You take 254
I subtracted in my head.
minus what?
I did minus 6.
But it's 3 weeks.
Yeah, but I subtracted
Minus
from
9.
51. I subtracted from 51.
So you subtracted 2 weeks from 251.
Yeah.
So that should be 245. Yeah?
Yeah.
245 pounds. So yeah, you could have taken 251 minus 6 or 254 minus 9. All right, C, day 12. It's a little tricky now. What's his weight after day 12? All right, what'd you get for day 12?
249.5 pounds.
249.5. So what'd you do?
Okay, so I have formula. Should I say that?
Well, what did you do first with your formula?
Okay, so you know that 12 days is actually 1.5 weeks.
Ooh, is 12 days 1.5 weeks?
No.
Be careful because that is 1 week, 5 days. And 5 days isn't half a week. So be careful on your fractions there. We want to get even more technical than that anyway. We want to be closer. Yes?
Wouldn't we have to make a fraction and divide it? And then
How would you do your fraction? What do you mean? So if we have 3 pounds in a week, how are you going to turn that into a fraction?
3/7.
Ooh, 3/7. So where'd you get 3/7 from?
Minus 3 pounds every 7 days is a week.
Perfect. So if you have 3 pounds in a week, you can divide that by 7 days.
Now find out how many pounds you lose a day.
That is how many pounds you lose a day. It's 3/7. I mean, that's pounds in days, right? So your 3/7 pounds per day. So that's lb per day. And then, yeah, I would take 3/7 times 12 days. That's 36/7. Oops. 36/7. And that would be, let's see, 5 and 1/7 pounds. Oops, that was a bad 7. 5 and 1/7 pounds that they lose. So the question is, how much do they weigh? So you have to take 254 minus 5 and 1/7. And that's what, 248 and 6/7?
248.858.
248 and 6/7 pounds.
I didn't.
So here's the thing. The question is, why would we leave it in fraction? You can leave it, put it in decimal. And decimal whoa, yeah, I forgot about that. Decimal might make it a little easier to understand. It says, especially since we're talking about pounds, and people don't say 6/7 pounds. On the flip side, understand that fractions are exact, and decimals are an approximation. So if we have it in decimal, we are approximating, which here would be just fine. So if you wanted to do it in decimals, what'd you get? 248 point what?
858.
0.86.
Yeah.
And I would say standard, just put it in 2 decimal spots. All right, let's go T weeks. What is his weight after T weeks? Someone new. Go ahead.
What does T?
What's that? Did you get it? Go ahead.
It's 254 minus 3x, or 3t.
So 254 minus 3t is good for t weeks. And what about after d days? Yes.
It'd be 254 minus 3 times 3 sevenths.
Where'd you get the 3 times 3?
Wait, negative 3 times 3 sevenths. Wait, yeah.
It would be 21 days.
How about just 3/7 d?
Oh, yeah.
Because look at, we're starting at 254, and every day is a d. So after the first day, you lose 3/7. After the second day, you would lose 6/7, and so on. So 254 minus 3/7 d.